In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson ME-301 and Epson XP-30 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and using these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the file, just right-click on the file and select Extract All and click Extract button here. After that, you can open the resetter folder and click Run the adjustment programs. In here, you can select the Epson ME-301 or XP-30 printer. Okay, in this case, I'm choose ME-301 and you can click OK. Then you can click particular adjustment mode button in here and choose was ink pad counter and click OK. Tick main pad counter option and the flatten pad counter option. After that, you can click check button. Then you can click initialization button. After the resetting is successfully, you can just turn off your printer. Then you can turn back on your printer again. After that, you can click finish and close the resetter. If you encounter an error here, you can just try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. Then you can try to repeat for the resetting process. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson ME-301, also XP-30 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Hope this video helpful for you.